YouTube. This is my video of my Audi A4 1.8 turbo. I've been having some idling problems, cars shaking like crazy when I idle, and normally alright the speed, but as I get up to 60, 70 miles an hour the car starts shaking. I've been online, I've been on plenty of forums about this problem, but I've not come to a definitive answer, as most people ask what the problem is, but on the thread never really, once they've solved the problem, they never post back what the problem was, so I've been struggling. There was a bloke on YouTube called David from the United States who was probably the most helpful with his video on YouTube, so I thought I would do a video now I've taken the bits off to help anybody else suffering the same problems as me. As I said, the car was idling badly, as well as shaking erratically, and also when you get up to normally driving at normal speeds, 30, 40, 50 mile an hour fine, but getting up to 60, 70 miles an hour the car would start shaking again. I've come over, this is called a PRV valve. I've opened it up inside. I don't know whether you can see in there, but the diaphragm is cracked. So I've ordered a new one of them. I've taken it off. This is the broken one at the moment. For any of you looking for the part number is 06 Alpha 129 101 Delta. That's the part number for the pressure release valve. I'm doing this video while the parts are off as well, so you can see where they go. This green one here is called a PCV valve, and as you can see, it's on permanent send for air there. This is going both ways. I've taken that off. That's located under the intake manifold. This is the new one which I put on just at the moment. As you can see, the valve is in. Oh, just dropped that down there. It's a new valve, and that's located. That valve is located. If you follow the piping from the PRV valve, you want to be following. It runs around the back. You want to follow that pipe round, and just above. See if you can see. There's your oil can, or your oil filter, and you want to be looking at past that bolt, and there's the pipe where that green valve is gonna, the male's gonna go into the female there, and to just tighten that Jubilee clip up. I'll give you a post as to when I've finished my session on this car, and keep you posted as to whether it fixes the problems or not. Thank you.